Hi friends and neighbors, how y'all doing this morning? It's Al here. So we're in the middle of a heat wave out here in the Southwest, so I'm going to be doing a lot of inside work today. In fact, I'm doing this as a team effort today. We're going to split the workload. So I have a really simple menu. To be honest, I love fast food, so I'm doing some fast food burgers today for you, and I hope that you enjoy those. So let me go right ahead to introducing my partner today. Thanks, Al, for the introduction. Appreciate that. How you guys doing today, friends and neighbors? I'm Cowboy. I'm going to be doing the outside part today. It's pretty hot out. Al doesn't want to work outside. He's going to do the prep in the kitchen. So I'm going to grab these. I have prepared some burgers. I have some bacon, some onion rings. I'm going to grab these, head right outside and get food on the grill for us today. Thanks a lot. Thanks, Cowboy. All right, I'll see you in a few. All right, so he's gonna cook outside for you, and I'm gonna do the prep inside. So we're gonna start right on that. Hey guys, all right, so we're gonna get grilling right quick and easy today. I'm gonna start by putting a little oil on the grill. It's already heating up. All right, and we got two size burgers. We got quarter pounders, and we got some secret sauce burgers, some Big Mac burgers. My wife likes bacon on a quarter pounder, so we're going to do a quarter pounder, cheese and bacon. Got a couple pieces here. No apron today. My wife's going to kill me, but it's a little warm out. Not doing the apron. Not doing it. Not doing it. Got some onion rings, frozen onion rings. I'm going to put them on the grill in a minute. We'll wait till the meat's a little closer to done. So, while I have you guys right here, I wanted to say thank you to a couple of new subscribers. I got a Jeremy H and a Trixie M from 2 weeks ago that I missed. And listen, I gotta say thank you to one of my girls. One, I've got a daughter in Minnesota who came out and visited a couple weeks ago, and she brought me a bottle of Jim Beam Devil's Cut. So that's my drink of the day. I got some Jim Beam hot Coke that I'm sipping on. So thank you to Beth. And another girl back home, well, she does some social media sites, and she took my video and put it on one of her social media sites. And in the last week, I've doubled my subscribers, doubled my views, because for some reason, more people follow her than follow me. They like her a lot. So I got to thank Amy for doing that for me, and all of her followers, all of her subscribers and followers. I got so many. I got a Katrina, a Bree Edge, a Ken Beans, I think that's Ender Rose. I got a Wolf M, Francesca B, The Groke, Lurna. I hope I pronounced your names right, but so many people have subscribed, I can't even keep up with it. So, man, I appreciate the support that you give to her, and the loyalty that you give to her, your willingness to follow me and subscribe to my videos. So, really appreciate that. Remember to give me a thumbs up and subscribe for me. And share with friends and family. So what I have here is a large sesame seed bun. On this burger, we need a little chopped onion. Ketchup. Mustard. Pickle slices. And one more slice of cheddar cheese. Now this burger is ready and waiting for the quarter pound of beef. This one, I have used a middle bun for each, so I have extra bun. Set this aside for a second. Those are each going to have some shredded lettuce. secret sauce, shredded lettuce, all right, these get some finely chopped onion. On top of the lettuce. That is ready for a hamburger patty. I will just set these on the top buns. Each get 2 pickle slices. So I will put burger patty, the bun, and the burger patty. These are ready to build. Prep's pretty much done, so I'm gonna go check on Cowboy and see how he's doing with the cooking outside. He's got some bacon and some burger patties and some onion rings to go as a side with that today. So it's gonna be a good lunch. Let me go see how he's doing. There we go. Yeah, he didn't want to cook outside. Look, I'm a nice guy. I don't want to call him names, but he's a little bit of a softie. He wants to stay inside and do the easy part today. That's fine. I don't even care. You know, we work pretty well as a team. We're splitting the work up, but you know, he just can't hack the hard stuff. He's you know, whatever. It's good. I like being out here. I like doing the hard work. I like sweat, work, toil. It's good for the soul. It's good for the body. It's good for the mind. So he's not even a real cowboy. He's from back east, called himself, you know, Cowboy Al, whatever. But he's grew up on Cape Cod, you know, with the elitists, and probably had a boat as a kid. Went out in the harbor, you know. Hey, Cowboy, how those burgers coming? Yeah. Hey Al, I was just talking to the guys about you, saying how it's working real well, splitting up the duties as a team today. You doing the inside, me doing the outside. I love that. It's working out really great. And food's going to be done in a minute, and I'll bring that in as soon as it's off the grill. Thanks, Al. She almost got me. Bacon looks good. Perfect, perfect. Some onion rings on. Oh, heck yeah, let's do the bag. All right, I got everything on the plate here. I'm gonna bring this in to Al. I'll see you inside. Yeah, he's just about ready, almost done. He should be in any minute. He's out there cooking his patooties off in the hot sun today. I'm not going out there. It's just too hot, you know, but he's not even a real cowboy. Listen to his accent, you know, he's always talking stuff about park the car in Harvard Yard. He's probably down in Plymouth Harbor watching the girls go by, you know how he is. Hey Al, I got some burgers for you. Oh yeah, thanks Cowboy. I was just telling our friends and neighbors here how much I appreciate your hard work today, and you taking care of the outside when it's been so hot. So just want to thank you for all the great work you've done. Here, I'll take that from you. Thank you. I don't know. All right, let me put these together, and we're going to enjoy our lunch right now. Looks good. All right, I'm going to set this here. Start putting this together. First up is the quarter pounder. And that was all built. Oops. Dang. Forgot one of the important parts. Some onion rings. All right. Bacon quarter pounder cheese. try one of these? All right, I'm gonna give it a shot. This is a big sandwich, and it's a messy sandwich, so forgive me. That is Big Mac through and through. Whew. All right, you can make these at home pretty easy, so that's what I did. I'm having the Big Macs and she's having a 1/4 pounder of cheese and bacon, and you know what? We're gonna enjoy these because they were cooked with love. So before we go, I wanted to thank Cowboy for the team effort today and his help that he put in. That worked out very well. And special thanks to all you guys watching. I couldn't do this without all of you, and that's the important part for me. So I really appreciate all of you out there that are willing to take the time to watch the video, try the cooking, try the food, and I hope you enjoy some of my recipes. And I hope to see you here next week. We're going to do something fun next week, and I can't wait till then to see you guys again. So, and thanks for being here with me this week. I'll see you then.